We guide you through how to transfer PayPal to Xoom. So the first thing you need to do is to sign in to your PayPal account and make sure your account is verified with a linked bank account or card if required. From your PayPal dashboard, select Send Money, then choose Send with Xoom if option is available in your region. Enter the recipient's country and the amount you want to send and select the preferred delivery method, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or home delivery where available. Review the exchange rate, transfer fees, and estimated delivery time before continuing. Confirm the recipient's details carefully to avoid delays. Then choose your PayPal balance or another available payment method to fund the transfer. And finally, review all the information one last time and click Send to complete the transaction.